And then all over, not all over, but some spots I have pigeon peas. They're just popping up all around this area because the seeds just drop when they get dry. When they dry on the plant, they drop, and then look, pigeon peas. And soon I'll be picking some fresh carrots from the garden. You can see I gotta water these carrots, but you can see them forming at the base. I think I had a bigger one somewhere here, and this is also another. I got two little beds. I got one right there of carrots and another one here. And if I'm not mistaken, these are the Danvers. Look, you can see them forming. But I planted the red atomic carrots on the other side of my garden, and only a few came up. So, but there, I have some, but you know, not as much as here, and I do need to start more carrots. I wanted to plant some in a container also. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm so happy. Look at my sweet peppers. They're popping up. Just yesterday, nothing, and now they are popping up. These are the sweet green peppers that my friend's mom gave to me, and they are doing good, I guess, because they're popping up. We just had some